Good morning everybody. Once again I'm here with you. Since we are doing factors and today we will know something more about factors. So let us start. Today we will learn about common factors. Common factors. So we know that what are factors. And now we will learn about common factor. For this, let us take an example. Suppose we have a number 21 and 30. And we want to find their common factors. So how we will do? If we want to find the common factors of 21 and 30, we have to find the factors of 21 and 30 both. So how I have told you that we will start from number 1 and 1 multiply 21 is equal to 21 because we know that 1 is the factor of every number. After that 2. Since 21 is an odd number, so 2 is not a factor of 21. So next 3. So recite the table of 3 up to 21. So 3 sevens are 21. Check it for 4, 5, 6 and then 7. So we have found that 21 is not a factor of 4, 5, 6 and in 7 threes are 21. Again, if you look at carefully, we get a pair of number which is interchanging. So we will stop here. Now we will find the factors of 30 and we again start with number 1. So 1 multiply 30, 30. Again 30 is an even number. So 2 will be its one factor. So 2 multiply 15 is equal to 30. 3 is also its factor. 3 tens are 30. Then check it for 4. Then 5. 5 6 are 30 and next 6 5s are 30. So here we have obtained the interchanging digits, interchanging numbers, and now we will write factors of 21. Factors of 21. So write down the factors of 21 from this table. 1, 3, 7 and then 21. So these 4 numbers are the factors of 21. Similarly, factors of 30. So factors of 30, again 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So what we have to find? We have to find the common factors. So common means the number which is found in both the sets. Okay? In दोनों में जो numbers आ रहे हैं, they are common. So we can say that common factors of 21 and 30 are, now look at 1. 1 is present in both the numbers. So first common factor is 1. Then 3. Again it is present in both the numbers except 1 and 3. No other number is common. So we can say that 1 and 3 are the 2 common factors of 21 and 30. Now we will learn to find the factors of 3 numbers. Suppose we have 3 numbers 9, 24 and 27. And now we want to find their common factors. So what we will do? We will find the factors of 9, 24 and 27 separately. So first we will start from number 9. So we know that 1 is the factor of every number. So 1 into 9, 9. So 9 is an odd number. So 2 is not a factor of 9. So next one, 3. 3 threes are 9. So since it is a very small number, so you can check 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. 1 is 9. So here we get all the factors of 9. Now we will find the factors of 24. So we'll start from number 1. So 1 into 24, 24. Now 24 is an even number. So 2 is one of its factor. So 2 multiply 12 equal to 24. Now check it for 3. 3 8s are 24. Now check it for 4. Yes, 4 6s are 24. Then 5. No. 6. 6 4s are 24. So here we have obtained the pair which is interchanging. So we will stop here and now we will find the factors of 27. We will find the factors of 27 and we will start from number 1. 1 into 27, 27, odd number. So 2 is not a factor of 27. Then 3. 3 9s are 27. Then 4, no. 5, 6 you can check by multiplying or by reciting the tables. 7, 8, 9. So 9 3s are 27. Again the numbers are interchanging. So now we can write the factors of all the three numbers. So factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Now factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And the factors of 27, 1, 3, 9 and 27. So now these are the factors of 9, 24 and 27. Now what we have to do? We have to choose the common factors. So which number is present in all the three numbers? First is 1. 1 is present in all the three numbers. So the first common factor is 1. And the next one is 3. 3 is present in all the three numbers. So the common number will be that number which is present in all the numbers. So the next one is 3. Except these two numbers, no other factor is common. So we can say that the common factor of these three numbers is 1 and 3. In this way, we can find the common factors of any numbers by doing these steps. Thank you and have a nice day.